So you are trying hard to launch your Roblox game, but it's not being launched. So how you can fix this error in less than a minute? So first of all, you have to hop into your settings of your phone, and after that you have to scroll down to the end, and here you have to find apps, and after that you have to find Roblox here in the list of all the other apps. For example, here it is, and make sure that all the permissions that are asked here in the settings of this app are enabled. If any of the permissions like microphone, camera, or any other permissions are not enabled for Roblox, this may be the first reason that your Roblox game is not being launched. But if all the permissions are okay, then you have to go back and move to the second step, which is you have to find the storage of your phone. For example, I'm on iPhone and here is iPhone storage, and if your phone is running out of storage and if it is almost full, this can be the second biggest reason which is causing your Roblox mobile game to crash or not being launched. For example, in my case it is 251 GB out of 256, so I have to clear some storage in order to launch Roblox app. But if your storage is also okay, then you have to go to App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to go to Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, go to the search button and search here Roblox and hit the search button. And when Roblox app appears up, you have to tap on it and you have to update your Roblox application, because an outdated version of Roblox game may also be another reason for not being launched. So please update your Roblox application. And even after update, if it is not being launched, then you have to tap and hold on the application and tap on remove app and delete your Roblox application. And after deleting it, you have to open App Store or Play Store again and search here Roblox and install the Roblox game again after deleting it. So this was the fourth fix. I'm more than pretty sure that after reinstalling the Roblox application, there will be no issue in launching it. But if still you're not able to launch it, then it may be your RAM issue. Your phone's RAM may be low. For clearing it, you have to close all the minimized applications and then try opening Roblox, and it should work smoothly. And if even after closing all the applications it is still not running, then you may have an outdated version of iOS or Android, or your phone's RAM may be low and Roblox may not be working on low RAM phones. So these were all the fixes. Do let me know in the comments that which fix worked for you, so it may be a big help for the others. Thank you so much.